Ti mostro una delle proprietà più antiche che abbia in vendita, apparteneva alla famiglia Priuli.
Welcome to Italy, guys!
This is the center. All the rooms are like circle. The most stunning thing in all this house, because this is the typical Venetian floor. We are actually standing between walls with 700 years of history. The chandelier from Murano, the typical Venetian fabric. And here you can, as you can see, all the house is full of antiques from belongs to the Noble Family. Con il caminetto.
Bellissimo questo caminetto.
Il caminetto è stupendo. Invece se lo incornici con il piombo è più resistente, anche più bello, e puoi anche cambiare il colore.
Ma una domanda che non ti ho fatto, quanto costa questa proprietà?
This is a 3.5 million euros property. Is 360 square meter in total, including the main apartment with 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, an office, studio on the first floor that you can use as your office or a guest bedroom with its own bathroom, and this huge space that you can use as whatever you want. Che dici, Nuvola, ti piace?
This is honestly the most incredible property I've ever seen. I wanted to go through some of the questions that maybe an international buyer or someone from Canada or the United States has been wanting to kind of find out about, but doesn't necessarily know. So I'm just going to go through a number of questions with you and just guide me through the answer, and let's see who we can help.